Have you ever wondered why people are leaving certain states in the US? It's a question that taps into the heart of an intriguing phenomenon: migration patterns within the United States. You see, the US is a tapestry of 50 states, each with its own unique allure and challenges. But each year, some states see more people packing up their lives and heading elsewhere. Why is this happening? What factors influence these decisions? Well, the reasons are varied and complex. They can range from economic conditions, job opportunities, weather, cost of living, to personal preferences, and more. Today, we will explore this fascinating topic further as we count down from the state with the least number of people leaving to the state with the most. Hold on to your seats, ladies and gentlemen, as we delve into the world of American migration patterns. So let's dive into the data and start our countdown. Starting off our countdown, we have Ohio, with an outbound move percentage of 56.5%. Known for its affordable living, Ohio has been a magnet for many over the years. However, recent shifts indicate a change in this trend. The Buckeye State, despite its stunning landscapes like Lake Erie and the Cuyahoga Valley National Park, is witnessing a significant outflow of its residents. Much like the majority of the states we'll be covering, Ohio isn't an exception when it comes to the hunt for better job prospects. 6 out of 10 Ohioans looking for a fresh start are setting their sights on other states, hopeful of finding better employment opportunities. Furthermore, Ohio's harsh winters are driving out those seeking more comfortable retirement destinations. So, despite its natural beauty, Ohio is seeing more of its residents heading for the exit. Next on our list, we have Kansas, with an outbound move percentage of 58.7%. The Sunflower State, known for its iconic yellow brick road, is facing a real-life dilemma. A significant number of people are seeking their fortunes beyond the state lines, and it's not hard to see why. Despite having a low cost of living and an equally low unemployment rate, the state seems to be falling short when it comes to well-paying jobs. Many educated workers are finding it difficult to find jobs that match their skills and qualifications. Additionally, the state's frequent encounters with tornadoes, averaging over 50 each year, further complicate the living conditions. It's no wonder Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz said, "There's no place like home," but it seems many Kansans are starting to think otherwise. Despite the low cost of living, Kansas is struggling to retain its residents. Moving on, we have New York, with an outbound move percentage of 61.5%. The city that never sleeps, with its dazzling lights and endless opportunities, seems to be losing its allure. The shows of yesteryear's Friends, Seinfeld, and Sex and the City painted a picture of an idyllic life in the Big Apple. But the reality for many is far from the sitcom fantasy. The harsh truth is that living in New York is an uphill struggle for many. The high cost of living, coupled with the challenge of securing a decent wage, is driving people away. It's not all Broadway shows and strolls in Central Park. It's about trying to make ends meet in a city where the cost of living is sky high. Daily, an estimated 300 people make the decision to leave, seeking greener pastures elsewhere. They're searching for more affordable places to live, better job opportunities, or simply a fresh start. Life in the Big Apple isn't as sweet as it's often portrayed. Next, we have Connecticut, with an outbound move percentage of 62%. Connecticut, once known for its wealth with the third largest number of millionaires per capita in the US, is now facing quite the challenge. However, this doesn't paint the whole picture. The income disparity is staggering, creating a vast gap between the rich and the poor. Many people are finding it difficult to meet their basic needs, let alone enjoy the perks of living in the Nutmeg State. A significant chunk of those departing, almost a third, are chasing better job opportunities elsewhere. But it's not just about work. Those seeking a more comfortable place to retire are also packing their bags. For the young, Connecticut's rural charm seems to be losing its appeal. They yearn for the hustle and bustle of urban life, finding Connecticut a tad too quiet for their liking. Connecticut's rural charm seems to be losing its appeal. Coming in at number 2, we have Illinois, with an outbound move percentage of 65.9%. This wave of departures is so significant it's been dubbed the Illinois Exodus. Over the past 5 years, a staggering 157,000 residents have packed their bags and bid the Prairie State farewell. But what's driving this mass migration? Well, the culprits are high unemployment rates and skyrocketing taxes, Job seekers are finding it hard to secure employment, while homeowners and businesses are buckling under the weight of some of the highest property taxes in the nation. There's a glimmer of hope on the horizon, though. Illinois is set to raise its minimum wage to $15 per hour by 2025. But will this be enough to stem the tide of departures? Only time will tell. For now, all we can say is the prairie state is facing a serious exodus. And finally, the state with the highest outbound move percentage at 66.8% is New Jersey. Despite its affluent reputation, boasting the highest number of millionaires per capita, and its strategic location near several other leading states, New Jersey's lure seems to be dwindling. The Garden State, known for its top-notch public school system, is witnessing an exodus that's hard to ignore. For the past 10 years, New Jersey has consistently made it to the top 10 of the move-out states list. The reasons? They're varied and complex. Many residents are on the hunt for new job opportunities, while others seek a more affordable cost of living. But there's also a group who simply desire a change of scenery, a new adventure. Regardless of the reason, it's clear that the situation in New Jersey is a predicament that needs addressing. The Garden State's allure seems to be fading as more residents seek opportunities elsewhere.